Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use inbuilt VPN or add inbuilt VPN on Windows 11. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. The first thing you need to do is you have to go to the vpngate.net. I repeat, it's vpngate.net. After that you will be able to see there are many VPN relay servers here. You have to copy the server address here. You can copy any of it, like I'm gonna copy this one. Just copy it, then go to the search bar, then go to the settings option. Okay, then go to the network and internet, then VPN here, then tap on add VPN. Type any connection name like VPN 1 or 2, then paste the server address here, then VPN type automatic, it's okay. Username VPN, password VPN, then tap on save. It has been saved. Then tap on connect. Hopefully it will be connect. You can see it is connected. That's how you can do it. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.